Hey, good morning, Micro Map here. Doing my morning stroll before it gets to 1,000 degrees out here. Hope you all had a great weekend. Went out to the ball game on Saturday. It was Venezuelan Heritage Day, and was the biggest crowd of the year, 33,000. Yesterday there was 18,000. We lost on Saturday, the day that I went, and we finally got a win yesterday. We picked up a closer from the Mets, David Robinson, I think his name is, Robinson, something like that. We needed a closer. Hopefully, we could pick up a big bat. We're still in the wild card hunt, but yeah, enjoy some baseball this weekend. In regards to the keto for life and weight deal, I haven't weighed myself. I can feel the fat melting off. Hola.
Good morning.
Morning. I can feel it melting off. I had an accident with my clip, and obviously you could tell I shaved my my patchy beard. I don't get a full beard, so I left the mustache. So it'll grow back. Yeah. So last weigh-in was about 241. I would assume that I'm at 240. I haven't weighed myself. I'll be eager to weigh myself. Hopefully I crack that 240 mark and at 239 or so. Just continuing the fast. Didn't eat much yesterday. Yesterday was a rest day, giving my back a rest. Felt a little bit better yesterday. A little sore this morning. Been hitting the gym. I've hit the gym a couple times last week and doing the strength training. So hopefully I can get in there a couple times this week too. Right now just doing my walking. Maybe I'll go later. We'll see how the day unfolds. Yeah, another hot one in the market. I was looking at the futures. Looks like everything's up. All status goals. Good for the 401ks. Good for all the longs, especially the tech longs. I can't catch a break on my little shorts that I have on tech. Market don't seem to roll over, and that's kind of hampered my personal accounts. Being a contrarian, but some days gonna go down. I would imagine. Can't always go up. Overall, everything else is going good on the investing front. We'll take a look at the futures now and see what's going on. We just started the trading week this morning. The futures were up and down over last night. Watched a good movie with Liam Neeson called The Honest Thief. Good flick. And I also watched Rounders. That's a classic 1998 poker movie. Watched that one. Good flick. Let's take a look at the futures. Let's see here. Futures, here we go. So 10 years holding 394. The dollar it's up a little bit at 101.71. Bitcoin 155, trading on the 30K. Oil, which is a big inflation input, has been rearing its ugly head, and it's over $81. And I've seen it higher than what it's at now. S&P fluctuating. I seen it up from 7 to 14 more or less. Gold popped this morning over 2 grand right now. Copper up 5 cents under $4. A Nasdaq up 31. Nat gas is flat. I think the palladium and platinum had a pop along with the silver. So some of the metals were popping a little bit this morning, even though the dollar's green still. I know that the grains that got hit, corn down 16, soybeans 29 cents, and wheat 20. And Dow Jones was up $38, 38 points, however you want to interpret that. This week we have Amazon. Let's see if there's any morning movers. This week we have Amazon and Apple, and those should be really, really, really big catalysts for the market. Um, went over the futures. European markets looks like everybody was up. The DAX up 2/7 of a 0.27. FTSE up 0.16%, and the CAC 0.60. That's Asia. So it looks like looks like the Nikkei had a big bump up, up over 1% last night in the international markets. Uh, Yields a little bit flat right now. Oil on track for the biggest monthly gains. Gas prices are on me are 3.50. I heard a guy today on TD Network saying gas is $5 around him. Texas, I think, is 3.50. I know some parts of Cali are like $6, but gas prices are heading up. Um, Contraction in China, factor activity extended to fourth month. I don't think we have a lot of pre-market movers as of yet. I haven't got any messages because I don't think there's a lot of earnings today. Um, see what else is trending. SoFi is trending up to 1050. Planeteer 19 on 110. Roku 90. Those seem to be the biggest movers this morning on stock tweets. Yeah. Um, so yeah, I think with oil to where and I've been telling you guys to be long oil. XOP or XLE, with oil climbing, that should hurt inflation, should make it worse. And I don't think the Fed's done tightening. They're gonna have to tighten if inflation gets um gets hot again. Only thing that I think is transitory is probably inflation. I think it's only temporary, little dip, and then we're gonna go back up. Um, if that happens, because the market right now is forward looking. All the markets are always forward looking. They're pretty much thinking that we're gonna have rate cuts, and if inflation rears its ugly head, which I think is about to happen again, they're gonna have to keep raising, and the market's not ready for that. And we'll see. So stick to. I think you guys stick to that general theme that I've always preached. You're getting an opportunity to buy them at discounted prices. Energy, precious metals, miners. You can go into GDX or GDXJ. I already talked about the energy ones and commodities. Ag space, John Deere, um, or some of the food players or fertilizers, Mosaic. To name one, it's pretty cheap. And international exposure through a fund, ETF. I have it in the Fidelity, but there's EEM, there's other ETFs. You can research them, or if you want to hit me up, comment below, and we can do the research. I'm here to help. Um, let's see how hot it's going to be here today. It's already a little warm. Uh, let's see here. What's today's forecast? I'm already muggy and sweaty. See if this pop up. The weather channel's been. So right now it feels like almost 100. It's 87 degrees. We might have pop. So at least as of right now, we don't have a heat warning. We've been having heat warnings every day. Uh, Humidity 70%. So yeah, it's pretty muggy and disgusting out here. And we have one week left. One week left to kids go back. The kids go back to school here in Miami-Dade County. They go back the 17th. So yeah, my kiddo goes back to work. And no, back to work. Yeah, you can call it their work. Back to school. Um, Here on the 17th, and soccer gets back into the full swing of things on the 8th. So, anyways, I'll be doing some other videos as the day transpires regarding the market. We have big earnings this week with Amazon and Apple, and I think that would be the last ones of the Magnificent Seven um, that are pretty much just carrying the markets. The thing is that these big stocks they carry the market, the indexes. They're a huge percentage of them, so they make a big allocation of the S&P and the Nasdaq. These Magnificent Seven stocks. So I think these are the last two, and they should um, put a big put a big stamp on where the market direction is going to go. I think we're overbought. I don't think we need to be at these levels. And I hear a lot of I actually see a lot of bulls on social media. Anywhere stock to its Twitter, Facebook, and some of the chats that I'm in and stuff. Everybody seems bullish. Um, no, they say the only thing that can make us go down is a war. I'm like, oh wow. So I guess markets don't go up and down anymore. It's pretty interesting. I don't know. I keep staying I'm short deltas in my portfolio. My personal portfolio is just a little short delta in each in my accounts. Um, because I mean, from my experience, it's always like the stairs on the way up and elevator down. And we kind of got a little of a blip of that on last week when we were down quick, but the Bulls were able to step in and bring it back up on Friday. But it was quick. It was vicious, right down to the down. The VIX got up to 16 on the future ones. I don't know about the ones the VIX. I'm talking about slash VX got up to 16. I was watching it, and the market kind of quick fade, but it recuperated quick. So yeah, a lot of people in the chat saying that the only thing that can derail this market is World War III, and that's pretty mind-boggling to me. Chime in. Let me know what you think can derail this market. I mean, I went to a grocery store. I don't see no slowdown in inflation. I bought a couple of things. It was like $125. Eggs. I got pasture raised eggs because I really pretty much just eat eggs. And it was like I'm trying to eat since I don't eat much, and might as well try and eat the best eggs. If I'm That's mainly what I eat. um, and it was like $8.75 for a dozen. So um, so chime in, comment below, and I hope you guys have a great Monday. I will do some other shorts, and maybe I'll do another video if I get a lot of trades in. I've been pretty active. I've been putting trades on the board. Um, July is almost over, and August is here. I think today's the last day of the month. No, let me see. Yeah, last day of the month. So today's the last day of the month. We got August. Kid reports to camp August 8th. School starts August 17th. And the party's over. See what August brings. In sales, you're only as good as your last month. Doesn't matter how many cars you've done in the past or anything. You're only as good as your last month in sales. Remember that. So July is almost a wrap. Another decent month in July. Can't complain. Car prices are really going down. They haven't stopped. We'll see. We'll see what August brings. Um, I think the inventory will start to dry up in the next month. And as we go into fall and winter, the holidays, it'll tighten upward with travel demand. And then we might see, if like tax season rolls around, we might see, when tax season rolls around, we might see a little bit of appreciation on some of these cheaper used cars come up. But I think there's some deals on new cars out there. They're starting to soften up. So the supply is getting in there. We shall see. I've been watching some videos, and it seems like I see more commercials on new cars and stuff like that. So it might be getting better on the supply side. And I've heard there's a lot of trucks out there, etc. But man, these things are just outrageous. These payments. I don't know how people do it. It's crazy. I think I covered everything um, as of this morning. Not a really busy news day so far. But as the week transpires, we'll get more stuff and I'll do some more videos out there. This is a longer video. I've been doing a lot of shorts. I did a couple shorts on the Marlins Venezuelan Heritage Day, and they've gotten some likes and views. Um, those YouTube shorts really work. And I have tickets for the Dominican Dominican night. I think that's in. I have to look. It's against the Braves. I think it's in September. I'm not sure. And those things have been working out for the Marlins. Those country heritage days. Puerto Rican night had 25,000. Venezuelan had 33,000. Let's see the Dominicans top that attendance. That was the biggest attendance of the year. That's for sure. Yesterday they had 18,000. Um, so, anyways, like the channel. All those likes help. Subscribe if you like the content. If not, just don't subscribe to subscribe. And chime in. I always answer all. Pretty much, I get back to everybody in the comments. Um, and share the channel if you think it's beneficial for a friend or a family. Anyways, take care. Have a great day, and see you in the next one. Bye. Be blessed.